cam, you have to give them the body cam. You can't just send it straight to the DFGs. If someone else is requesting for a body cam, let them review it because he is your higher up. You can't just go straight to the DFGs. That's why we have the chain of command in place for a reason.
Everyone MPD know Astro be trolling. Like, why y'all acting brand new?
I understand that, but we still need to see your body cam.
Yeah, that's fine with that, but y'all made me feel my arrest. So what's the point of showing y'all my body cam when I didn't even arrest? And he had 3 felony offenses. That's 1. I charged him with a 3.2. That's 2. And it's like, bro, what I did was right. I told him, kindly leave PD, kindly leave PD. I did that. Look right here, boom.
Alright, yeah, send that to me.